Hello everyone. As you know, I have started the GPAT series. If you have seen my previous videos, if you haven't seen my previous videos, please go and watch those videos, which will definitely help you for the GPAT preparation. Because I have put many important questions. There is a possibility they can be come in examination. Okay. So as I have started series, so today I'm going to discuss about the pharmaceutical organic chemistry question bank, which is very important as GPAT point of view. And as per GPAT 2023, total 38 question will come from the chemistry background. So you have to prepare it wisely and precisely, because 38 questions is a very large number if we will compare for the marks. So without taking much time, let's start with the question bank. Okay, so here you can see the screen. Pharmaceutical organic chemistry question bank for GPAT examination, right? The first question here, in a free radical reaction, let me take a laser pen. In a free radical reaction, free radicals are formed at. So this question came in GPAT 2017, which is very important, I thought. So in free radical reaction, free radicals are formed at. There are four options: initiation step, propagation step, termination step, both an A and B. So if you know free radical reaction, so definitely you can answer that will be in both A and B. So correct answer is D, that is both A and B, initiation step as well as propagation step. Let's go to the second question. I'm going to read the second question now. When trans-2-butene is treated with bromine and anti-addition of bromine, yields meso-2,3-dibromobutane. Select the correct statement regarding the reaction from the following. So here sometimes for confusing you, they can ask you the question in like reaction, they can ask you in words. So you have to read it twice. Okay, if you will read it twice, you will clear that. So there are four options. The reaction is stereoselective as well as stereospecific. The reaction is stereoselective and not stereospecific. The reaction is non-stereoselective as well as non-stereospecific. The reaction is stereospecific and not stereoselection. Maybe you will find it a little complicated, but if you will read it twice, definitely I can say you will get the answer. So the correct answer is A. In this reaction, when trans-2-butene react with the Br2, that is bromine, and anti-addition means Quarsh effect, if happens there, it will yield meso-2,3-dibromobutane, and it is a completely stereoselective reaction and as well as stereospecific. Question number 3. Which of the following reagents will reduce a di-substituted alkyne to transalkene? Di-substituted means there is a two substitution on hydrogens. When it will react and it gives you the alkene, so you have to tell me the reducing agent. So there are four options. You can see on the screen, which is floating on the screen. The first, sodium and ammonia. Second, lithium aluminum hydride. Third, borane, and fourth one is palladium and hydrogen. So the correct answer is yes. So the correct answer is A, sodium and ammonia. The next question is, Diels-Alder reaction can be carried out in which of the following heterocyclic compound most readily? So there are four options again: pyrrole, thiophene, furan and pyridine. So the correct answer is, you can see here, furan. So furan is the correct answer. Let me know in comment section, furan is how many membered ring? 4 membered, 5 membered, 6 membered. So question number 5 is pyridine. Pyridine is more basic than pyrrole. This is due to which of the following facts? So first option is, lone pair of electron and nitrogen in pyrrole is localized. Second, lone pair of electrons and nitrogen in pyridine is localized. Third, nitrogen of the pyrrole has one hydrogen atom attached to it while pyridine does not have any. Fourth, pyridine has 3 double bonds while pyrrole has only 2. So the correct option is yes, that is B, lone pair of electrons or nitrogen in pyridine is localized. Localized means resonance is there. Okay. If you have any doubt regarding question, please comment. Okay. Please leave a comment in comment section so I can explain you more if you want. Then question number 6, which one of the following is correctly matched? Sedgwick rule, least substituted. Hoffman's rule, most substituted alkene. even CB reaction, Hoffman elimination, even reaction, Hoffman product. So definitely this kind of question only come in exam, because GPAT is not very easy exam. You need to understand that. Okay, in GPAT they will ask you the question like ऐसे घुमा फिरा के questions करते हैं वो, so you have to prepare in both ways. Okay, not in a very straightforward way. You have to read it twice so you can get the clear answer of that. So here if you will read it twice, you will get insert the full list substituted alkene, which is the list substituted, and you have to correct, you have to identify from here which is correctly matched. So the correct answer is exactly even CB reaction, that is Hoffman elimination. Hoffman elimination in which that is the elimination reaction takes place. So that's why the even CB reaction. Question number 7, reaction intermediate of even reaction is. So that elimination, unimolecular elimination reaction. So you have to tell me the intermediate. So as you know, SN1 SN2 reaction, so if you have studied comparison of SN1 SN2 even E2, then you can tell the correct answer for this question as well. So the correct answer for this is C, that is carbene, that is, you know, C and 2 lone pair of electrons or there. So that is the correct intermediate for the even reaction. Okay, please read this question twice so you will get it correct. The question number 8 is, which of the following statement is false for Friedel-Crafts reaction? So there are 4 options. The first, you can read the option and I will directly going to tell you the correct option over here. Friedel-Crafts reaction, you should know in Friedel-Crafts reaction what happens, and from this statement you have to guess which is the false statement. So remaining are the correct sentence. The false sentence is carbon and form. So no, only carbocation form in the Friedel-Crafts reaction, no carbanion will form. So the false option is B. Then question number 9, which of the following statement is false for Fry's rearrangement? Again name reaction. Again here I am going to tell you little bit of tip and tricks. Name reaction is very important part of the organic chemistry, and you have to do all the important name reaction like Fry's rearrangement, Friedel-Crafts alkylation, aldol reaction, then Cannizzaro reaction. All those name reactions you have to prepare for the exam point of view, because many times they can ask you what is the starting material, or what is the reagent for that particular reaction, what will be the product for that particular reaction. So you have to do all the name reaction correctly. That's okay if you don't know the mechanism, but you should know the starting material and ending product of that product of that reaction. Okay. So here Fry's rearrangement. If you know the Fry's rearrangement, you can tell me the answer. So the correct answer is like which one will be the false? This reaction follows Reamer-Tiemann reaction. So no, that is wrong. Question number 10. In molecules water, ammonia and CH4, what will be the same? This is very easy question. So I am going to give the answer. So water H2O, ammonia NH3 and CH4. So hybridization are same. Please, I am asking you here, put the which type of hybridization is in these three, and that is the same one. sp2, sp3, sp. Let me know in comment section. Next is question number 11. Mechanism of aldol condensation demonstrate. As I said before, the name reactions are very important part for this. So you have to do it. Okay. So here mechanism of aldol condensation. So mechanism, there are steps. Basicity of the alpha hydroxyl group. So you can read the. I am going to give the correct answer here. D, that is 3 and 4, means tendency of the carbonyl group to undergo nucleophilic addition and acidity of the alpha hydrogen. These two are the important mechanism for the aldol condensation. See, these two. I'm using the pen here. Tendency of the carbonyl group to undergo nucleophilic addition and acidity of the alpha hydrogen. These two are very important steps in the mechanism of aldol condensation. Question number 12. Which of the following is false for Mannich reaction? So I am going to read all the correct option here. Compound capable of forming an enol, right? In Mannich reaction, you know, keto to enol form is there, so correct. Iminium ion is intermediate, that is also correct. And formaldehyde is going to be the product, that is also correct. So the carbamate ion is intermediate, it is a false. So B is the correct answer. Geometry of trifluoromethyl free radical is. Geometry of trifluoromethyl free radical is. So the geometry of trifluoromethyl free radical is pyramidal, that is B. Question number 14, which one of the following not involve the formation of carbonyl ion as an intermediate? So you have to guess in which one of the following named reaction carbonium ion is not an intermediate. So the options are 4, Beckmann rearrangement, Wagner, Wolff and Pinacol. So the correct answer is Wolff rearrangement. In Wolff rearrangement there is no carbonium ion as an intermediate. Question number 15, geometry of carbene in single step, which is very important. Yes, that is a V shape. That is the V shape geometry. Angle of rotation measured by polarimeter depends upon, yes, you have, if you have seen the instrument in your lab, polarimeter. So let me know what will be the correct mechanism of polarimeter. Means angle of rotation is depend on, yeah. So the correct answer is concentration of sample, right? So 1,2-butadiene has which type of hybridization carbon atom? 1,2-butadiene. 1,2-butadiene has which type of hybridization? So the correct answer is sp1, sp2 and sp3 hybridized carbon atoms are there. 2-methyl propane reacts with HBr to give, this is very common, that is a tertiary butyl bromide. Okay, so the correct answer is A, tertiary butyl bromide. Question number 19, how do the melting point of trans isomer compare to the cis isomer for alkenes? So there are 4 options. So the correct option is trans isomer have higher melting point. Remember that. Trans isomer have higher melting point. B is the correct answer. Question number 20, the dehydrohalogenation of 2-bromobutane with alcoholic KOH gives. Tell me this reaction is very important. You have studied in alkane as well as alkene in both topic. Okay, so the correct answer is 2-butene. That is A. Which of the following has a thalazine ring in its structure? So if you know the drugs, then you can guess it from this. So there are 4 options: diazoxide, minoxidil, hydralazine, all of these. So the correct answer is C, that is hydralazine is the correct answer. So that's all about it. I have put total 20 question over here, and I'm going to make more organic chemistry question for examination point of view. So all the very best. And if you have any doubts regarding the questions or regarding organic chemistry, please feel free to comment. Okay, and yes, obviously best wishes for your exam. Prepare well for your exam, and thank you for listening. If you like my video and if you like my content, and if you have any doubt, please feel free to ask me. Please feel free to mail me if you want. And thank you very much for watching this video, and if you like it, please share with your friends as well. And most probably, as you know, most probably your exam will be soon in the last week of April or second week of April. They have not they have not explained the date yet, but it will come soon. Okay, so mostly like 1 month you have for the preparation. So do preparation according to the marks which is given for the subject, like POC 38. Like I have put one video for that, so please go and watch that video. If you want, I will put the link over here, the weightage of all the subjects for GPAT examination. Okay, so thank you very much for watching my video, and all the very best for your exam.